Well, hello there everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. So today I have made a delicious chocolate mousse, but this is a healthier version. This is an avocado chocolate mousse. Now don't knock it until you try it. It is absolutely delicious, super easy to make. So let me show you just how I made it. Place 2 large avocados in a food processor, and these have been sliced in half and the pit has been removed. Then add 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Now I'm using 1/2 cup of agave nectar, but you could also use honey. Half of a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil. And then I have 1/4 cup of coconut milk. And I'm adding a little bit at a time just to check the consistency. But I think I'm going to use it all. All right, it's time for the good old taste test. Wow. That is so good. Chocolatey, creamy, rich chocolate mousse. I really hope that you give this mousse a try. Well, thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.